guys, so today I have a skincare haul and I'm really excited to show you everything I got. And disclaimer, this is all like clearance skincare because I love to try anything skincare, anything that helps my skin in the long run, anti-aging, anything I will invest in. But if I can get it at a good price, I would rather do that. So that's basically everything in here. So first up is CVS. I got this Aveeno Repairing CICA Foot Mask enriched with prebiotic oat and shea butter. Helps repair extra dry problem skin and has 2 single-use slippers. This is actually used for your feet. It is that season, sandal season, and so I figured I would try one of these because it would be fun to do like pedicure kind of spa day situation with this, and it's pretty inexpensive. It's like $2.50. I did get this at full price at CVS, but it's just because there's nothing else that competes with it, so there's not a ton available, so it wasn't on sale. But I still am curious. I did see it on Leanne Says and wanted to try it for myself. Then I grabbed these 2 face masks. These were like 35 cents or 50 cents a piece. They were on sale, and it's the ANIMALZ mask. I have the OWL Hydrating Sheet Mask and the NARWHAL Clarifying Sheet Mask. They look like this. I just grabbed these. I know that they're silly, but I love a sheet mask, and when I can see them for 50 cents, they're usually like $1.99 a piece, I want to say. I always try to get them for $1 or less. I will grab as many as are available because it's a big de-stressor for me. I love it. I love wearing them and getting stuff done. It feels like I'm doing something good for my skin, and even though that looks cheesy, I don't care. No matter what, the mask is going to look cheesy on your face. Then I grabbed this Garnier Fructis Damage Repairing Treat 1-minute hair mask with papaya extract. I grabbed this one here in particular. They have like 5 different kinds. This one was like $1 cheaper than the rest of them, so I'm not really sure why, but I do need a hair mask for sure on my ends, and so this is like a good size, so this will last me a little while to like really treat, and I've heard nothing but good things. I love Garnier hair products, so I figured I would try this out. Then I grabbed this Mask Bar Silver Foil Peel Off Mask. It says it's enriched with natural ingredients that help to brighten and soften your skin. This is what it looks like, and I got this one on sale. It was like half off, so it was like $3.50 from like $7.99 or $8.99. And I always think that that's a really good price for actual full bottles, so I grabbed it. CVS is really good about having skincare like half off or on clearance every once in a while, so definitely check that out. Now, another good place is Walmart. So I grabbed this Aveeno Positively Radiant Micellar Gel Cleanser Makeup Remover. Draws out skin dulling impurities. This was originally $6.97, on sale for $3.50, and like I said, that's a good price for a full bottle because it's half the savings basically. So Aveeno's a really good skin brand for sensitive skin, which I have, so I wanted to try that out. Then I grabbed this Garnier Moisture Brom Sheet Mask. The super hydrating mask is mattifying, deeply hydrates, balances skin, and visibly reduces pores. This was $2.50, on sale for $1. This was like they had 2 or 3 of them left. I don't know if it's just they were removing the display or not, and that's why they put them on sale, because these are really good ones. I really like these sheet masks, but I still grabbed it because it was new in that section, so I knew it hadn't been out for a while. So grabbed it. I'm not going to ask questions. I also grabbed this one. This was $6.98, on sale for $3.50, and it's the SOO'AE. It's SOO'AE New York Replenishing Cucumber Mist, and it's infused. It's an infused cucumber mist. Invigorates, hydrates, and refreshes to revive the look of dull, tired complexions. So I figured I would try this out and see how this does. I don't know. I've never tried anything by this company. At that price, though, I'm willing to try whatever. Then I also grabbed this Yes to Grapefruit and Orange Brightening for Dull and Uneven Skin Bubbling Paper Mask. It has vitamin C and A from grapefruit and orange, as well as oxygen to help purify and deep clean for visibly glowing skin. It's 1 single-use mask. These are really great masks. This one was on sale, I want to say for 50 cents. They had a bunch of them, so I grabbed this one as well. But these are usually $1. Most of the time they're on sale for $1 or 2 for like $2, whatever. It's usually $1.99 is I think what the actual price is. But again, it was on sale, so I grabbed it. Then I grabbed this Healthy Feet Exfoliating Moisturizing Foot Cream. Softer Feet in One Use, Guaranteed Relief for Extremely Dry, Cracked Feet by OKEEFFE'S. I always buy these, especially in the spring, summertime, just because I want to do those pedicures. I want to make sure everything from the winter, I'm not the best at pedicures, but I go hard in the summer, springtime, just because of sandal season. So I do really, really like this product. If you haven't tried it, I would recommend it. And then the last thing that I have is this BIORE charcoal mask. It's a whip purifying detox mask. Great for oily skin, eliminates impurities and purifies pores, and it's cooling as well. I haven't tried a charcoal mask ever. This was a gift for Mother's Day from my husband, and so I included it with the skincare because it's new to me anyways. So let me know if you guys have tried it. I'm like always really iffy about charcoal masks because I've seen such horrible videos of it just getting stuck and hurting to rip off. I hope that's not the case with this. I have to do more research on it, but yeah, let me know if you've heard anything about it. But that's everything for this haul. It's kind of small, but that's how I do it, in increments, whatever is available in the clearance sections at different stores. That's how I would recommend doing it, so you can get more name brand skincare for a cheaper price. That's just, I don't know, how I think about it. So let me know if you like this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Love you guys. Bye.